Have you ever improvised a repair, fashioned a homemade tool, or created a shop make-do? Then you'll appreciate today's shop hacks.
Aerosol can collections have a tendency to become a scattered mess. Spray lubricants in particular can create oily messes on shelves or in cabinets.
Sorting through can collections always seems to end up with overturned cans falling on the floor.
Our reader Brian took a tip from the kitchen aisle and employed those spinning Lazy Susan racks to keep his cans sorted and readily available.
Lazy Susans are available online. We found this set of 4 for between $20 and $25.
The Lazy Susan's mount can be wired onto wire racks or stuck to shelves using adhesive mounts.
Be sure that the Lazy Susans firmly touch each other, our farmer points out.
That ensures turning one Lazy Susan spins all the racks, presenting a carousel display of aerosol cans.
There's more where this came from. Other farmer-inspired hacks like this can be found at agriculture.com/shophacks.
While you're there, vote for Brian B's Spray Can Spinner in the Shop Hacks contest.